We just finished the 390 ADV, and my friend is here. He's riding the R3 guy. So we're just gonna ride his SF250. They all feel like small, tiny bikes. Lol. Somebody just knocked over the metal. He's got CNC lever protectors and all. So we're just gonna head over to BMW. Just take a look at a few bikes. If we're lucky, we'll get a test ride. I love the ergonomics on this bike. Just like my R3. It feels so small. This thing is very refined, smooth, and comfortable. I like the way this bike performs. It just feels really amazing. Admiring your own bike. You have total control over this bike. It's got a good mid-range. See that? 5,000, 6,000 RPM, I'm guessing. Exhaust note, I don't like it, but still, it's a good bike. Definitely sounds good. It sounds similar to an FZ. I don't like the exhaust. That's why I had a SC project slip on. Brakes got some bite. I wish these mirrors were better. Not a lot of info on these mirrors. Why? You definitely feel confident on this bike. You got good brakes. BMW.
We both live life at full speed, easy to see. When we collide, no one walks away easy. I never thought you'd be the one. I never meant to take your heart. I never felt so hard. I never meant to be the one. I never thought I'd break your heart.
It's the SF250 in the R3. They're right there, and we're just gonna ride the G310S. I'm sorry, the GS310. Yeah, my bad. We just saw a K1300. It's driven by a shaft, not a belt or a chain. Man, these are just fun facts. Not fun facts, probably like hardcore facts. Okay, so we got the GS310 right here. This is the A50 or 750. I'm not sure. It's 750. It's a twin. Yep, it's a twin cylinder. This is the 310. I like this one. I like this color scheme. It's way better than the other one right there, the red and black. I like this one more. It's more vibrant. Yeah, definitely. Again, two more GS's. What do we have there? Again, another GS. I don't know much about this bike, but man, the engine, it's flat. It isn't like parallel or anything. It's just like flat. So that's why you can see two cylinders out that's sticking out. This engine is very, very bulky. It's wider than the entire bike, so you're gonna have to be careful. It has to be heavy. Has to be. There's like Brembo top of the line brakes. Wait, just it's the BMW R1250R. 143 Newton meters of torque. Well, to me, it's just a naked BMW. That is wow. I believe this is also shaft driven. There's no belt. It's attached to the swing arm. That's what he said. So that's what I'm gonna believe. we're just here for test riding vehicles and first ride reviews, giving reviews and ownership, and not about the technical aspects. But we could do that. I'm just gonna have to do some homework, and you guys have to be patient. So, love these Brembos. I love Brembos, man. There's amazing brakes. It looks good as a naked. And then that's the GS1250, the legendary bike, the ultimate ADV, 28-30 lakhs. It's like, it feels amazing. It's like pretty awesome. It's like the ultimate dream bike for all the tourists. It's got so much potential. It's a big bike, almost feels like a entire car. It's top of the line, man. Top of the line. Never ridden a GS before, but we're gonna ride a GS310, so not bad. I'll see you guys on the bike. Yep, he's gonna help me out with the bike. We haven't got the keys yet, so he's probably going to take the keys. So this is a direct competitor to the 390 Adventure, so I thought why not come over and check it out too. So here we are. It's a BMW. It's got some USD forks too, so suspension should be good. I'm not really sure because it's my first time on a GS2. We got off-road set for pegs. It is appealing. It looks I'm gonna say it looks better than the 390 ADV, and it's a BMW, which might be kind of expensive on the parts and the service. So how much power? 34 PS. And torque? 28 Newton meter of torque. It's the same as my bike. Yeah, the Duke gives like 37 Newton meter torque, so that's like a huge difference. And you're gonna definitely feel it when you're off-roading. But yeah, it's a good bike. It's yep, refined. So I'm gonna say that it's gonna be refined. Can I? Dual purpose tires, of course. GS is mainly for adventure sport, so but we're gonna ride it on the roads. We're gonna see how it does, how it performs on the road. I'm just gonna give you a first ride review, how it feels, the ergonomics, the braking, the performance, and obviously we can't test the headlight, but I'm gonna give you guys just the basic detail. So yeah, let's go. Optional, ABS can be switched off.
Switch it on the go.
Okay, on the go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now it's off. Now it's on.
Switch call lip feels kind of premium, expected out of BMW. Okay. Okay, my knee guard is actually hitting the the protectors. Yep, which is making it slightly uncomfortable. You can see it touching. It's like touching right there. I just wish we could take some potholes on this guy. It would be really amazing. I'm guessing this test ride vehicle has been okay, it's not as flickable as a 390, but it definitely feels light. Doesn't feel that heavy. Yep, both my legs are fully planted. Seat is actually very comfortable. Clutch is very light indeed. Exhaust not bad for a single cylinder. Yeah. Let's see what we have. We got low fuel indicator, high beam, indicators, switch signals. We had let's just switch it off. Okay. It's making a squealing noise. Probably just a test ride vehicle. I don't know if it's a test ride vehicle or what, but it just gets stuck at 2000 RPM and then it slowly comes down. So it's probably just a test ride vehicle. You can switch off the ABS, and that is amazing. For guys like who love off-roading, you have to switch off the ABS, or else you can't have. You're missing a whole ton of fun. And yeah, that's drawback. And now that RE has also come up with this optional switchable ABS, you can switch it off. And this thing, you can switch it off on the go. So that is pretty cool. I want to rev this guy. 36 PS. Excuse me. Picks up from 44th gear, no problems at all. So it's like a piece of cake. I don't like how it dips in all the way inside, because that is gonna lose. You're gonna lose a whole lot of confidence. But it's an ADV. It's supposed to be super soft. Has it been dropped? I don't know. It's
to ride last week. You felt the light and the bend also.
yeah. It gets a lot of attention. Gets quite the attention. Yep. Is it getting hot? No. I don't feel any heat at all coming from this engine. Nothing at all. Brakes doesn't have extreme bite, but yeah, they're good enough. Turning radius is wow. It can turn all the way. Problem reaching 120. Yep, you're in total control. It's not that powerful. If you're used to 300s, then this thing is nothing. Yep, it's smooth, it's refined. Power W is really smooth. It just builds up to the mid-range and then it just slowly fades out, and yep, it does pull. So torque isn't that much. It's not as torquey as the 390, but yeah, it's smooth. And I like smooth bikes. When you're a long ride, you can see the pull. Is it flickable? It is flickable, I'll give you that. Okay, you're gonna ride like you installed it. But we're not gonna do that.
A few moments later.
I like the throttle. 390 throttle is throttle ride by wire. This throttle is not. That is something you get on the bigger bikes. But yeah, it feels good. There's no lag in acceleration. No lag. I like the engine. Definitely do. Like the engine. So thank you, BMW. I just came in. I was like, I'm a YouTuber. I just want to ride your bike. He's like, the only one we have is the 390. I'm sorry, 310 GS, and yeah, we got it. Thank you, BMW. Ooh. Yeah, so that's just a bend on the crash guard. It's no big deal. It's just a test ride vehicle, so yeah, it should be good. It just it was hitting my knee guard, but yeah, that's no issues at all since we got it covered. And yes, I did feel a bent handlebar. Yep, that's the radiator for you. Yes, it is quite loud, but not as bad as the KTM's. So it comes with this stock. Nice.
Whatever you see comes with the bike except for the
Crash guard.
that is an extra.
Okay guys, I'll see you later. I don't know what I have planned next, but yeah, it's a good bike overall. I really liked it. Man, refinement.